Hey everybody, it's Dr. Seth from Great Works Chiropractic. I've taught many of you how to do cervical traction with a towel at home over the years, and I finally decided, well, let me make a video about it. So I'm not prepping to go to the country club. This is a towel, so I can demonstrate that. The first thing you're going to do is take your towel. You want it to be the long way because you need to have some leverage for the traction. You want to roll it up until it's maybe a little bigger around than an almost empty tube of toilet paper. Okay. Once you're at that point, what you're going to do, I think I'll just lay the opposite way on this. Here we go. Is you're gonna lay back with the towel right underneath the middle of your neck, just to get it firmed up under there. Let's get that. Yeah. Lay it all the way back, and then what you're trying to do is get the towel to catch right up under the back of your head, right at the top of your neck. So you're going to lay back. You're going to hold the very ends of the towel because that's going to give you the best leverage, and you're just going to get right up underneath the back of your head there. And you're not going to pull straight that way because you'll just pull the towel out from under you. So you want to almost make like you're lifting up a little bit, but without making your head come off the table. Then you're going to lose my pretty face here. I'm sorry. Then you basically just want to pull like this by extending your triceps, or just kind of pushing with the arms. You want about 20 to 40 pounds of force. That's the ideal therapeutic amount for traction. And just hold it like that for a little while. Just feel the stretch. And breathe. And then relax. And you can repeat that as many times as you need to. I feel like 3 to 5 times, for about 30 seconds each time is a good amount. Really help decompress your discs, help get them rehydrated again. So just once again, you want to get this behind your neck, set your head down, angle upward. This looks like about 40 degrees, I guess I'd say. And then just give it a good pull. Don't worry, your head won't come off. Just give it a good pull until you can just really feel the stretch down through your whole neck. So just breathe for 30 seconds. You don't need to time it. We all know what 30 seconds is kind of like. And just relax, give yourself a little break, and repeat again. Okay? So that's how you do self-cervical traction with a towel. Just ask us in the office if you have any further questions. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a lovely spring day. Bye now.